this line, type there table dot insert round brackets. Why did you go to the next? Okay, now type there array, comma, num. Okay, now run the program. Yes, enter numbers one by one. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now after the end in the code, after the end inside code, after end, make a print array square bracket 3. Okay, now run your program again. Okay, you need to guess what is the output of line number 8.
Oh, I've already run it. What should I do now?
You can rerun. Stop and run again.
Okay, now what do I do?
Just enter the values and you need to guess the output of line number 8. Like what is the output for line number 8? Why are you writing the values like that? Tell me what is the output for this.
It's going to print out 3 because our array is this. So it's going to be 3. 1, 2, 3.
So then what is the benefit of these values that we are taking? Okay, enter the values.
I can just use array for the I statement. So if I change this to array 5, for example.
Okay.
It should print out 5 at the end. Wait, let me just test. Wait.
Enter the valid values. Why it's printing 2?
So it'll print out the 5th number that you put in.
Yes. Basically, what are you putting there? It is storing inside that. So we are storing this inside that. Okay. So your 5th number is what? 5. So you enter 5. You enter any big number, so it will print that number there.
Yeah, like if I write this. Wait.